Hallo, wie geht's euch allen? Herzlich willkommen auf meinem Kanal. Ich heiße Kimmerman und ich habe ein Kunststoffmodell auf dem Anime Full Metal Panic. So I have here a model kit which was released by Aoshima from the anime series Full Metal Panic. To be honest, I'm not a big fan of that anime because it has a comedic side as well as serious side, but I only hate the protagonist girl because she's so annoying. And anyway, I watched some of its episode, but I much like still the Gundam series. But Full Metal Panic is not bad, especially the mecha models and their designs. So I decided to buy this upgraded mecha of the main protagonist guy, which is Sosuke, I think that's his name. And I bought this from a Shopee Ph seller who lives in Tanay, Rizal here in the Philippines, and his name is RALEIGH ANSELMO. Thank you very much, Mr. RALEIGH ANSELMO, for selling me this kit. And this is none other than the Full Metal Panic ARX-8 LAEVATEIN. So if I will pronounce the name in German, it should be LAEVATEIN. I don't know how they pronounce this in Japanese or in English. Maybe in English it's LAEVATEIN or something like that. Anyway, let's check this kit out and let's see what's inside this ARX-8 LAEVATEIN. Los geht's, fangen wir an. The box here shows the arm slave ARX-8 LAEVATEIN, and it's from the Full Metal Panic Invisible Victory. So it's from Aoshima ACKS, or the Aoshima Character Kit Selection. So in the side of the box, we can see the usual style of Aoshima, where there are multilingual caution statements here, and there you can see ARX-8 LAEVATEIN and the address of the company. And just to give emphasis, there is this sticker here. This is the approval sticker from the anime author, I think. And then the other side of the box, we can see the front view, the rear view, and some action poses, the armaments of the LAEVATEIN. And it's a jam-packed kit where it has a cannon there, and knives and this rifle here, and interchangeable hand parts. And there's this version of this that it has a big backpack where you can attach some machine guns, missiles, and other stuff, but that's too much. It will consume your shelf space, so I did not choose that, and I stick to the simple version, which is this LAEVATEIN here. So if we open the box here, we can see the instruction manual. And there, the instruction manual is quite larger than the average instruction manual for 1/100 kits. To be honest, this is not a 1/100 kit. This is a 1/48 scale. I forgot to mention. This is a 1/48 scale model kit. So it's like your average 1/100 scale Gundam, the size of your average 1/100 scale Gundam, what I mean. So there you can see the instruction manual with the same picture from the box, and there we have the kit on front view, rear view, and the action poses, same what we saw in the side of the box. Then we have black and white printouts here, and it's much easy to if I'm going to analyze this kit, will be an easy build because it's comparable to a 1/100 non-scale Gundam kit. So it's like a big high grade, I mean 1/100 high grade kit, something like that. So there's nothing much in the kit, simple build. I only like the head accessory here, the flames, or in the anime it's the smoke emitting from the head if it bursts its cannon or fires its cannon. There's a smoke coming from his head. It's like an aura. And there we have the parts list there on the back of the manual. So let's go to the kits. So we have here red parts for the shoulder armor, shoulder pieces. Gibt es eine Grauteile for the inner frame parts, weiße Teile for the armor pieces, for the dorsum part of the hand, another white parts for the armor pieces. These are two similar runners here. Gibt es the grauen Teilen here for the inner frame parts of the arms and the legs. Then another gray parts for the weapons, weapon sets for the guns, and this one for the guns, for the knives, and don't know the other. We have small pieces here which are polycaps. So we have here polycap parts, gray polycaps, and gray parts here for the armor pieces, inner frame parts, I think. And we have parts for the bazooka, for the gun parts. We have here another red parts for maybe this one for the detailing parts. And there, the stickers. We have a fair amount of stickers for some color correcting areas on the kit. There's these eye stickers and the markings for the extremities. And we have here small pieces for the eyes. This is for the head. So these are the visor, the eyes, and the effect parts, the smoke emitting from the head. Okay. Für üblich lassen Sie uns eine kurze Überprüfung für die Teile haben. We have here gray parts for the hands, which is runner A. So this is very confusing because the runner names here is very small. So this is the runner A. We have runner C for the hand, for the inner frame parts of the legs. We have runner D, another inner frame parts, another runner D. So we have two sets of runner D here. We have here parts for the knife, which is runner K. Here we have runner K. We have here runner K again. So these are for the gun. So we have two sets here. So this is runner K and K. So the first part of runner K and the big part of second and big part of runner K. And And there we have for the bazooka parts, which is a runner L. So we have a runner L for bazooka parts. By the way, let's check this first, because maybe I won't lose this. I don't want to lose this part. So we have here the green parts for the visor for the eyes, and the effect parts for the smoke emitting vent on the head. Then we have here small gray runners. These are runner eye and another runner eye. So we have two sets of runner eye here. We also have runner J here and another runner J. So we have two runner J's. And finally we have here runner H for gray parts here. So we also have gray polycaps, and we have polycaps 1 and polycaps 2. So we have two sets of polycaps here. And we're having here rote tile, which are for the armor pieces. So these are red parts. This is runner G and runner F. Another runner F. So we have two sets of runner F, and we have here runner G again. So we have two sets of runner G, big runner G and small runner G. We're having here versatile for the armor pieces, runner A and another runner A. So we have two sets of runner A. And the last white parts here, runner B. So we have runner A and runner B as the white parts. Okay, don't forget we have stickers for color correcting orange color for the extremities, gray parts, and the eye visor. So again, thank you very much for watching this unboxing. First of all, I want to thank again Mr. RALEIGH ANSELMO for selling me this ARX LAEVATEIN at an affordable price, and he also delivered it to my mom and my cousin way back 2022 September, if I'm not mistaken. I think this was September 2020. Okay, thank you very much, and see you next time. Let's see the review of this kit after I finish this build. Goodbye, God bless, and take care. Dankeschön. Auf Wiedersehen. Tschüss.